we've had 800 more students show up on day one this year compared to last year. So even though we had to cut budgets and staff, there are still more students moving to the area to Liberty Hill ISD.
Just really amazing to see the growth that we've had, and there's definitely been positives that have come from that. Obviously tons of growing pains.
One thing teachers are looking for is a competitive wage. So we're pretty comparable for beginning teachers, 0, 1, 2 years of experience. It's once teachers hit several years of experience that the gap grows, and we lose veteran teachers to neighboring districts because their pay is quite a bit higher. The second is level of support in the classroom. And so there are lots of things besides just salary. It's all the support that we can provide teachers in the classroom and campuses. And with less funding, there's less support. Prop A would fund staff salary raises and adjustments. Compared to other districts in the region, Liberty Hill ISD teachers are paid up to $4,000 less, or 5.72% below the average salary of other teachers. Early voting is October 20th through October 31st. Election Day is Tuesday, November 4th. Go vote!